Topic. Welcome to our language series. Today we are going to learn greetings in German with Telugu. Every class see again and again you will reach from beginner A1 level to C2 level very fast without any effort.
Hallo, hallo, hallo. In English, hello. In Telugu, hello. Repeat after me. Hallo, hallo, hallo. In English, hello. In Telugu, hello. Next word. Guten Tag, Guten Tag, Guten Tag. In English, good day. In Telugu, Shubhodhayam. Repeat after me. Guten Tag, Guten Tag, Guten Tag. In English, good day. In Telugu, Shubhodhayam. Next word. Guten Morgen, Guten Morgen, Guten Morgen. In English, good morning. In Telugu, Shubhodhayam. Repeat after me. Guten Morgen, Guten Morgen, Guten Morgen. In English, good morning. In Telugu, Shubhodhayam. Next word. Guten Abend, Guten Abend, Guten Abend. In English, good evening. In Telugu, Saayantram. Repeat after me. Guten Abend, Guten Abend, Guten Abend. In English, good evening. In Telugu, Saayantram. Next word. Gute Nacht, Gute Nacht, Gute Nacht. In English, good night. In Telugu, Shubharatri. Repeat after me. Gute Nacht, Gute Nacht, Gute Nacht. In English, good night. In Telugu, Shubharatri. Next word. Grüß Gott, Grüß Gott, Grüß Gott. In English, greet God, regional. In Telugu, Devaniki Vandanam. Repeat after me. Grüß Gott, Grüß Gott, Grüß Gott. In English, greet God, regional. In Telugu, Devaniki Vandanam. Next word. Service, service, service. In English, hello by, regional. In Telugu, hello born by. Repeat after me. Service, service, service. In English, hello by, regional. In Telugu, hello born by. Next word. Tschüss, Tschüss, Tschüss. In English, bye, informal. In Telugu, bye. Repeat after me. Tschüss, Tschüss, Tschüss. In English, bye, informal. In Telugu, bye. Next word. Auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiedersehen. In English, goodbye formal. In Telugu, Vidukolu. Repeat after me. Auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiedersehen. In English, goodbye formal. In Telugu, Vidukolu. Next word. This part, this part, this part. In English, see you soon. In Telugu, Twaralo Kaludam. Repeat after me. This part, this part, this part. In English, see you soon. In Telugu, Twaralo Kaludam.
Enjoying the lesson? Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for daily German classes at 6 p.m. sharp. From beginner A1 all the way to advanced C2. Comment PDF below to grab your free PDF notes for every class. Also, let me know which word was your favorite today. Check out the playlist for upcoming classes and never miss your spot on this language journey.